This right here is a personal alarm. All you have to do to activate it is pull out this black piece right here, and a loud 140 decibel alarm will sound. And I'm going to tell you this now, that is loud. It's louder than most fire alarms, because I would know that. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and activate this, but I am going to cover it so that I'm not blasted with this loud alarm. So here we go. And that's what it sounds like. And what you could do is you could loop this piece around like a belt loop or something, so that all you have to do is pull out on the alarm, and then it would activate. So personal alarms are advertised as a tool that you can use in a self-defense situation. When you activate this, it can draw attention to the area, it can confuse an attacker, and honestly, the alarm is so loud, I wouldn't want to be anywhere near it, and I don't think an attacker would want to be anywhere near it. This right here is a very cheap one. You can pick these up for $6, or you can buy them in bulk for just a few bucks a piece online. This one even has a flashlight that's built into it. It's not a very powerful flashlight, but it is a flashlight, and it does work. To be honest, this particular model is very cheap. I could probably break the plastic on this just by stomping on it, and probably break the entire alarm just by stomping on it. But there are other alarms out there, other models that seem to be a lot more durable, and they have other features on them like seatbelt cutters, glass breakers, knives, things like that. This is probably just the cheapest version of a personal alarm that you can get online. When it comes to actually deciding if you're gonna buy and carry something like this, I actually think it's more personal preference. I'm not just gonna say, yes, you should get this, or no, you shouldn't get this. I think it's really up to the buyer. For me personally, I don't think I'd ever carry this just because I don't walk around in a sketchy part of town enough to feel the need to carry it. However, if there's someone out there that thinks that they'd feel a lot more safer carrying something like this and that it actually would do them a benefit, then why not carry it? I don't commute in a sketchy part of town often, but there definitely are people out there that do, and I do see the need and why a lot of people want this alarm. I think the world in general is not a friendly place. There are a lot of bad people out there. Evil does exist, and I think personal safety and self-defense should definitely be taken very seriously, just like fire safety and other types of safety. So if you feel the need for this personal alarm, it's only $6 shipped to your door. I'm not sponsored or anything, I just thought I'd make this little video on it. So thank you all for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.